Hello everyone and welcome to C3 Streamland. So in this very simple video, we are just going to see different types of quadrilaterals and their properties. Quadrilaterals with name, it's a quad means four. Uh, that means it is a polygon which has four sides, four angles and four corners. So let's try to draw a polygon with four sides, four angles. So any polygon which has four sides, four corners, four angles, it is a type of quadrilateral. Now there are different types of quadrilaterals based on how we create them, right? So we are going to see what they are and what are the properties. So the first very simple quadrilateral which we all know is a square. Now if you want to make a square, you must make all the sides equal. That is the first property of a square. All sides should be equal, right? What about angles? All angles of square must be 90 degrees. That means right angled. Every corner is a right angle, right? And all the opposite sides, that means side AD is parallel to side BC. Side AB should be parallel to DC, right? And that's your square. But then what is the difference in rectangle then? The only difference in rectangle is you don't need to have all sides equal, but to make a rectangle, the opposite sides, the sides which are parallel to each other, they should be of equal length. Only then you can call it a rectangle. So basically side EF and HG, if they're parallel to each other and also the length is exactly the same, they're equal, and side EH and FG, if these two sides are also parallel to each other and with exact same length, then that is called a rectangle. One more condition there is all the angles should be 90 degrees. They can't be more than 90 degrees. That is also, so these three conditions should be met to make it a rectangle. Now third very simple polygon is a rhombus. Okay, so to make a rhombus, let me just move my screen a little bit to make some space here. To make a rhombus, basically rhombus is a tilted square, right? If you tilt a square 90 degrees, then you can make a rhombus. Same condition for rhombus, all sides should be equal, right? Hmm, I'll have to move screen a little bit, forgive me, maybe a bit more. Again, so to make a rhombus, all sides should be equal and opposite sides should be parallel to each other and all the angles should be 90 degrees to each other, right? Then what is the difference between the rhombus and square? I leave that thinking part up to you. Put it in the comments below. Why this is called a square and that is called a rhombus. It's a good um, food for thought, right? So these are three basic polygons, and in next video we will see two more and see their properties. Till then, happy exploring.